Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am gonna teach you about the human anatomy. Without further delay, let's get started. First, the brain. See, the brain has nerves. It sends signal. It's important because if you didn't have any signals, you won't know anything. Next is the heart. The heart pumps blood. And here comes the lung. The lung gets oxygen. It exhales the carbon dioxide. And then here comes the liver. The liver is next to the pancreas. Now here comes the digestive system. The digestive system, like the stomach, is very important. Now here comes the whole human body. Now the kidneys. The kidneys filter the waste. And now here comes the next body part. The muscles. The muscles helps us to move our body without even breaking anything. Isn't that cool, my friends? Yes, that's absolutely cool, right? And here comes the oral cavity, tongue, and esophagus. Now the liver and gallbladder. And the next system we're gonna see is the digestive system. The digestive system has the stomach, it has the large intestine, small intestine, and appendix. And next is the whole body. It is all about human anatomy. Hope you learned something new today. If you want to watch more educational videos, just like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching my video.